kitties coming from above us now, so.
Wanna cross the street now?
Yeah. If we get cuffed right here, it's gonna be unfortunate.
Yo, what scope do you have on your gun?
Red dot. 8 times on my car. Do you need an 8 times?
Nah, I have a 15 times, bro. I wasn't kidding.
Let me get that!
Alright, come.
Oh, is this guy serious?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck, bro.
Alright. I've only used it 15 times once. Oh! Uphill.
Okay, wait, let me put that 15 times back on my gun.
At the rock. Knocked him.
So where?
150 at the rock. They're gonna get pushed in by the circle.
Oh, I need to fucking...
Yeah, you just go. We're gonna move to us soon.
I see him. Southwest.
Yeah, well, okay, don't shoot. This is too far.
Oh, wait, there's... Oh, the guy saw me.
Fuck,
He got you down?
No, he tagged me. What the fuck is he using?
Where'd he go?
I don't have any bandages. Do you have any meds?
Yeah, I do, come.
No, besides pains.
Yeah, I have first aid.
Okay.
I'm coming to you.
How is that not a headshot?
Oh my god, there.
Thank you. There's kitties 195. And there's suppressed kitties 240.
Okay.
We're gonna move right eventually. Like, that's our play. Right. But for now.
Oh wait, yeah, the guy just died. The guy that you were shooting at?
So those kitties are pretty close. Let's move right. Okay? Maybe these rocks? I don't know, honestly. I don't know where these guys are.
Well, I mean...
It could be in the compound.
I mean...
Yeah,
I see them.
There's 2 teams. They're right next to each other. Let them fight.
Cause, yo, I have a suppressor.
Are they, like, friends? I'll take another fight. Yeah, listen to fear. Knocked one.
You killed him?
Yeah, that's...
I hit him.
Guy.
He's dead.
Fight alive. Guys on the street, running towards the Dacia. The kid dead. That was the solo guy.
Alright, well, we have the circle.
Okay, well, they're not near us.
Hold on. I'm just gonna super boost really quick.
We don't have the circle. That's like another thing.
Marcel, we're fucked, bro.
I don't know where they are. Either they're west, like below those hills, or they're like 330. That's 330! Oh no, sorry, that's a bush. Sword, look. Oh, they are 330! They are 330 at the trees! Oh my god,
I bodied a guy.
Oh. Blocking my throne. I'm healing. Don't go down, dude. I'm healing.
Same, I'm healing too. No, I don't think either of us have the circle.
Maybe we should move left.
Oh, he shot me. On top of the hill.
Let's do it.
I need to med again.
Knocked him.
Hold on, I'm medding. Good shit, GG. Woo! Clean.
15 kills.
Clean. You had 16?
Oh my god, yeah, bro.
I had 4.
Clapping off this game.
Good job.
I was clapping everybody. Holy shit. What a round, dude. Didn't we start at like military?